Sir Emil von Behring was born on 15th March 1854. He was a German physiologist who received the 1901 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. He was the first person to be awarded with the Nobel Prize in this medicine field. Awards won by Sir Behring: Cameron Prize for Therapeutics of the University of Edinburgh in 1894, Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine in 1901. His work, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 1901, was awarded to him for his work on serum therapy, especially its application against diphtheria, by which he has opened a new road in the domain of medical science and thereby placed in the hands of the physician a victorious weapon against illness and deaths. For this pioneering work, he was being awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1901. Gerty Teresa Corey was born on 15th August 1896. She was an Austro-Hungarian American biochemist. She was the third woman to win a Nobel Prize in Science and the first woman to be awarded with the Nobel Prize in Medicine. Awards won by Gerty Corey: Garvin Allin Medal in 1948, Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1947. Her work, Gerty and Carl Corey took an interest in how the body utilizes energy. In 1929, they described what is known as Corey cycle, an important part of metabolism. Lactic acid forms when we use our muscles, which is then converted into glycogen in the liver. Glycogen in turn is converted into glucose, which is absorbed by muscle cells. For this observation, she was being awarded with the Nobel Prize in Medicine. Sir Hargobind Khorana was born on 9th January 1992. He was an Indian-American biochemist. He was the first person from India to win the Nobel Prize in Medicine. Awards won by Sir Gobind: Villa Gibbs Award and Padma Vibhushan in 1974, Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1968. His work. In the 1950s, it was established that genetic information is transferred from DNA to RNA to protein. One sequence of 3 nucleotides in DNA corresponds to a certain amino acid within a protein. Hargobind Khorana made important contributions to this field by building different RNA chains with the help of enzymes. For doing this work, he was being awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1968.